to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pennant Ranch Schools. This is Camille Gorskowski
and Isabella Meyer with the morning announcements.
Today is Monday, November 16th, 2020.
Quick fact report about the day. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. Audrey Hepburn wrote that.
Today is National Seatbelt Day. As the holidays approach, National Seatbelt Day on November 14th encourages everyone to buckle up to save lives no matter where you sit in a vehicle. Wearing a seatbelt is proven to save lives.
Lunch today is going to be trying to have all 5 food groups.
Weather today is going to be a high of 58 and a low of 33.
Recess rotation today is going to be to go outside and explore nature.
It is finally our third week of e-learning, so make it great and everyone have a great time.
Everyone have a great day, and remember, bulls lead the way.
Explorers today is gold.